think I'll make it up the ramp. There's a mountain somewhere here. I don't know. Real deep. Okay, I made a path. Now I follow. That's some deep ass snow. Even just over here, that's deep. All right, I made some leeway, pushed some of it. Holy shit. Almost there. I'm shoveling snow with the freaking car. Killed it. I made it. I just killed the car. Already did the impossible. All the way up to my freaking my thighs. Truck is stuck badly. There we go. Alrighty, let's see. He's trying, but
through this route, guys. Yeah, the other side, there's too many cars blocking. Yep. Alright, let's see if the Honda Pilot could do it. See if all four-wheel drives this well. I mean, I cleared the way for him, but I mean, it's probably still going to be challenging. He's got four-wheel drive and off-road tires. Come on, there's the four-wheel drive working. The thing is, he's lower than me though too, so he's gonna be pushing snow. He's already starting to push. Yeah, accelerate. He's gonna have to accelerate hard. Here we go, here we go. There we go. Yes, 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 come on. Push it, push it. Left and right, left and right. I don't know if he's gonna make it. I don't think he's gonna make it. I think that's it for him.